Let's start. Today we will see how to use the GetX package for performing the state management in Flutter Android. First, let's create a simple app without using the GetX package. Let's see the main.dart file. We import this Dart package. Then, we create the stateless widget called myApp in the main function. This is the myApp stateless widget. We create a material app and apply a theme in the build function. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomePage. This is the myHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomePageState. This is _myHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. This is a counter variable, whose default value is 0. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The app_bar attribute is set to the app_bar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this app_bar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a column widget. The first element of the column is a text widget. We have assigned the counter variable as the text of this widget. So as the counter variable increases in value, that value will be shown here. Then, we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, increase the counter variable by 1. But look carefully, we have written that line inside a setState function. Without doing this, the counter variable will not save its new state. So without doing this, even if we click this button hundreds of times, the counter variable will not increase from its original value of 0. This setState function is used to save the state of a variable. So as the counter variable increases in value, its new state will saved, and that will shown in the text widget above. Let's run the app and see. As you can see, when I click the button, the counter variable value increases by 1, and that is shown in the text widget here. Now, instead of using this setState function, let's use the state management of the GetX package. First, we need to add the GetX package to our app. For that, click this terminal icon here. Write this command, and press enter. Wait for the operation to be complete. Once you see a change dependency written like this, that means the package has been integrated. Now let's make some changes to our app. These are the imports. First of all, we modify the counter variable default value as .obs. OBS means observable. So the state management functionality will keep on observing this variable for any changes. Then in the elevated button, now, we do not need the setState function. We can just increase the counter variable like this. And this text widget, which I have highlighted in blue color, is now enclosed inside a function called the obx function. This is an observer function that keeps on observing the counter variable for any new changes. Let's run the app again. As you can see, when I click the button, the counter variable value increases by 1, and that is shown in the text widget here. Same as before. So we have achieved the state management in Flutter using the GetX package. Thank you.